Hey Ashley, I really enjoyed listening to your PSA on HIV. I thought it was very creative and informative. Two parts of your presentation that stood out to me the most. The first was the two questions that you asked at the end. I thought that they were both very thought provoking, in my opinion, and would grab the listener's attention. Um, the two questions were: have you had sex with someone who you were unsure of their HIV status, or have you ever used IV drugs? And I also thought your closing sentence was thought provoking and creative as well. You said fight HIV instead of letting it win the battle. This is so true. These are so important to consider if there is ever any doubt in someone's mind. HIV symptoms can be treated and the virus can be easily suppressed due to evolving medical science, thank goodness. And as nurses, we can use this information to educate and encourage our patients to do their part, get tested, and stop the spread.